Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a glowing text effect in Photoshop in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Photoshop and create a new project. A good starting point is 1920 by 1080 pixels with a black background, since the glow effect looks best on dark backgrounds. Now select the text tool from the left toolbar and type your text. Choose a bold font for the best glowing effect. You can adjust the size and position as needed. Right-click on your text layer in the Layers panel and select Convert to Smart Object. This will help apply effects non-destructively. With your text layer selected, click on FX below the Layers panel and click on Outer Glow. Set the blend mode to Screen. Pick a bright color like blue, red, or neon green. Increase the opacity to around 75 to 100% and make sure the range is set to 100%. Adjust the spread and size sliders until the glow looks smooth and bright. Once you're happy with the result, go to File, Export As, and save it as a PNG to keep the transparency. And that's it. You now have a cool glowing text effect in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Photoshop tips.